Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's a most amazing news. Yes, evolutionary biologists have traditionally believed that the transformation of a single species into several distinct species, known as adaptive radiation, occurs as each species adapts to a unique environment. However, conducting formal examinations of this theory has been challenging because it's hard to definitively determine how the characteristics of species are connected to their evolutionary success, especially for a group of species that have recently branched off from a shared ancestor. A global team of biologists led by McGill University has compiled nearly 2 decades of field data representing the study of more than 3,400 Darwin's finches in the Galapagos Islands to identify the relationships between big traits and the longevity of individual finches from our different species. Recently selected as the editor's choice article for the December issues of Evolution, the study used data from 4 species which all evolved from a single common ancestor less than 1 million years ago. The researchers constructed a detailed fitness landscape to predict the likelihood of an individual's longevity in relation to their big traits. They found that finches with the big traits typical of each species lived in the longest, whereas those that deviated from the typical traits had lower survival. In short, the traits of each species correspond to fitness peaks that can be likened to mountains on a topographic map separated from other mountains by valleys of lower fitness. Biological species are diverse in their shape and functions mainly because individual traits such as beaks are selected by the environment in which the species are found, said lead author Mac Olivier, a doctoral researcher at McGill University supervised by Professor Rowan Barrett. As a result, the diversity of life is a product of the radiation of species to specialize on different environments. In the case of Darwin's finches, those environments are different food types, adds Professor Andrew Henry, who has been a part of the project for more than 20 years. Behind this report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.